Hey everyone, I am making this video to show you how you can keep track of your row limits in your Clay tables. So this workflow will notify you every time a specific Clay table is near to its maximum capacity, which is 50k rows per table, and this will help you to get notified before any disruption in your workflow occurs. So basically what you will need to do is we have this N8 workflow. So what it does is that every hour or every day you can have it run depending on how often your tables are receiving the data. So what it does is it fetches all the tables, then it loops through all the tables and it checks, it counts the number of rows in each table, and if the rows are more than 48,000, which is very near to the maximum capacity, which is 50,000 rows, so it will send you a Slack notification. So how this thing is working is that we have a Clay table with approximately 49,000 rows. So if I run my workflow, so you see that we have received a notification which says table SF enrichment has reached to its row limit, which is 49,000 rows. So if you check that, we have 49,000 rows in here. So how this thing is working is, first of all we need to fetch all the Clay tables. So for fetching all the Clay tables we will need to hit this endpoint, and this is your workspace ID, and this endpoint accepts your Clay cookies as a header. So what you will need to do is you will need to pass in your Clay cookies, and how to get the Clay cookies. What you will need to do is go to your Clay account, Clay table, click on inspect, go to network tab, and then refresh the page. So once you are there, you can open this count section, and then there in the header section you should be able to see the Clay cookies right here. So this is how you will get your Clay cookies. Copy this and paste it in here. Then after that we have a code node. It basically extract all the table IDs, uh, and then we are looping through all the table IDs, and then we are counting the number of records in each table. So if the records are more than 48,000, then we will send a Slack webhook notification. So this is just a simple hook which is notifying via Slack, and we have this message which contains table name and table URL, and it is telling that this table has reached to XYZ rows. So you can review it before it gets broken because of the row limit. So these are all the endpoints which I showed you. If you still have any questions, feel free to let me know. And thank you very much for watching the video. Have a good one. Bye bye.